My experience as a woman in aerospace is probably one of the same that every woman experiences, that we are often the only woman in the room.
We have always usually thought of as minority in this industry. So when women come into an industry, we are already working hard much more to prove ourselves. The world in the earlier days used to think that this industry maybe is not for women. When women come to a specific industry, they have already strived hard to be here. So I think we bring that determination and perseverance with us.
In Reflex, I find that it's an equal opportunity employer. Before your gender, I feel there is equal ownership and a lot of trust in you is placed to take up these tasks and skills.
Women bring systems engineering along with empathy.
Our ability to be warm-hearted and empathetic and to think myself into other people is the most important asset in my being as a woman in aerospace.
I know how capable women are, and it's proven to me every day here because we've got amazing women in leadership roles that are getting it done, that are getting satellites built, that are getting systems built, making sure that Reflex is known as this company that delivers high performance, super complicated satellites.
I remember when I was younger, I was not sure at all about studying electronic engineering. I thought that being a woman engineer, it will define my personality in some way, like you have to dress like this or you have to be like that. And I found out that you can be yourself. It is important to maintain your personality the way it is. You can dress the way you want, and you can be an incredible engineer as well. So trust yourself.
Don't talk yourself out of the opportunities before anyone else does. Aerospace can seem intimidating, but it essentially falls down to engineering fundamentals and a love for space. So if you enjoy that, you belong here and there is a space for you.